Nicole.
Gosh. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl over here, Nikki, and your missed friend. You have been here for like 6 months or more.
Yeah, it's been a while. Hi guys.
Finally, we don't start asking me. Now you can stop asking me. Are you still friends? Are you still friends with Cheryl? Yes, we're still friends. We're just busy, you know. Best friends, of course. Like that's obvious.
She's
We're
so
still-
short, look guys. Oh, so short, right? Look at her makeup. I don't know if you guys can see the eyelashes. I removed mine, but the sun.
So,
Look at the view.
I can't unless I do this. I can't stand it. So we're currently at Konabaridi. I think I stopped here when we went to Lipolos. May the same stop again. I should take a photo.
It looks cute.
Okay, anyway, so we're going to PEC Nature Camp and we are freaking late. Very late.
Like, how many hours? 4 hours late.
Yeah. So, and it's quite fun.
So we should go now.
Yep. So it was just a quick stop to intro the video. And I'm here with the crew. Got 3 cars. The one is I'm trying to bow, by the way.
Why are you driving like that?
Like how? Guys, we got here like 15 minutes ago. Oh, 15. And damn, I'm tired. I'm currently looking for a picnic site with Cheryl. Na tunahema kama sijui nini. We're so unfit. But it has nice views. It has ziplining. Has a climbing course. It has a lot of activities. So maybe it's the baby shit. The baby, si kuna vijana. Are they men? Are they men or not? I'm tired. So we've just seen one picnic site and we don't really like it because there's nowhere we can actually, oh my god, this is pretty. There's nowhere we can actually sit like on the floor. There are 3 benches and they're quite far from each other. So yeah, basically now we're looking for another one. Let me show you. Look at the entrance for this one. Just look at the entrance for this one. This is big. The cars are down there somewhere with the rest of the people. I love this. Huh? Don't tell me the other one is better.
Huh?
This is better.
No.
Really?
Yeah, here it's just a lot of work. Which country?
I love this entrance. What do you mean? So you can do this?
But opportunity.
Sini sawa. Hi guys. So we're finally settled down. The guys are cooking because you did the prepping in the house, so they're cooking. Yeah, it's a pretty cave. Never let me start the copyright. Oh yeah. But I feel like body in a speaker. I don't know if you guys are hearing it. Yeah, so I'll probably forget to vlog. Utasahau.
Nitakukumbusha. I shall remind you.
But we'll try. When the food is ready, we'll continue vlogging. But for now, I think I just want to show you the setup of where we are at the moment.
Yeah.
Guy. Do you guys want to say hi to the channel? Oito, this is your first time on the channel. Say hi.
First time on TV.
Acha wewe Samedi. Bulali pia. Sikukata. So susalimie basi wache kuteta.
Hi to the channel. What's up guys?
So
Tumengangana hapa na ndio unaenda kuweka hii kitu kwa imewaka wili.
So the people preparing the grill for food. There's this little setup with some juice, and yeah, that's how this place looks like. Nia Philly. Say hi to the channel. Another piga photos. Hi. Oh, you already said hi. Say hi to the channel.
Hi. It's the gay here. You want to know?
You have to wrap this part. Okay, this is my best friend. Blondie one.
I can see you,
So Aki, you'll see a lot of my friends in this video. So Tracy.
Hi. It's like fine wine.
Yeah, so we are continuing. This is a small video. But we had done that. Watu wamesikia wako na njaa, wameona wakule. So these are people here. Say something about me.
Hi. Happy birthday, Balia.
Happy 20?
20?
20. Kwa 22, acha kujifanya ngoko mzee.
Mio, ha. Mio, ha.
And then these are the guys who are doing that to us. Maybe you guys say something.
Happy birthday, Balia.
Can you be seen?
True.
So, in case you're watching this 1 year from now, tulikuwa tumeet Galleria 10, tulifika 12:30. Nachoma. Tulifika 12:30 hivi, sawa? So, just a reminder. There you are. Because of her. Nilikuwa ready by 8.
Wakameka 20 days.
Nilikuwa ready by 8. Nikuaga tu.
She's lucky.
Hatuchomi hapa. Say something.
Happy birthday, Balian. Ulituweka sana, but ni sawa.
I did.
Oh, happy birthday, Nikki.
Victor.
Happy birthday.
That's all.
And Victor, what? Oh, Balian. Happy birthday, you are so killer. You're so?
Wako na wanapika.
Nyama hivi bana. Tumechelewa sana hii nyama hivi. Tunatoka hapa saa ngapi? Na kuna coffee.
Imagine, na kuna watu wanaenda mbali. So yeah, anyway, let me go to the rest. Kimaru, something about Nicole's birthday.
Manze, it's a wonderful day. Manze, celebrate her. Nicole is a very lovely lady.
True,
But Nicole is best, manze.
Kabisa? Happy 22nd. Imagine kwa ndani yako 21.
Manze, same for 22nd, we just wish her well. Yeah. Because we're doing this.
So we love you. You've been an amazing friend to
Thank you for being an amazing classmate.
And you finally finished your budget. Love you. Enjoy your 22nd birthday.
Thank you for inviting me.
All the best this new year. We love
3. Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Mbwekse.
How old are you now?
22.
Happy birthday, dear. Okay, Nikki.
Happy birthday to you. Alikuwa zoo. Ama kwenda kwa zoo. Tutangoja kwenda kwa zoo.
Hatuna time ya kwenda kwa zoo by the way. We don't have the time.